Clover, how to run a gift redemption in the Register app. Select the items that you'll be purchasing with the gift card. Select Review Order. Select Pay. And then under Other Payment Types, you'll have F for Gift. This will pull up a dialog box where you can select Swipe to swipe the card or key in the card number. Once the card number has been entered, you can hit Accept. The payment is successfully done. You can hit Done. And then it lets you know that the payment has been complete for the order, and you can print a receipt if you'd like.